Today on Cancer Buzz, the new advanced practice radiation therapist. Welcome back to Cancer Buzz. I'm your host, Summer Johnson. For 13 years, the ACCC Innovator Awards have recognized forward-thinking cancer programs that develop creative and cost-effective solutions to care. The goal is to highlight programs that improve access, quality, and value with solutions that other cancer programs can replicate. Over the next weeks, Cancer Buzz will interview each of this year's 6 ACCC Innovator Award winners, starting with today's show. Our guest joins us today to talk about a brand new role at the Mount Sinai Health System, the Advanced Practice Radiation Therapist, or APRT. Samantha Skubish is the Chief Technical Director in the Department of Radiation Oncology at Mount Sinai Health System.
An advanced practice radiation therapist is a radiation therapist whom training, competency, and education possesses the knowledge, elevated skills, and judgment to provide a higher level of care within a radiation oncology department. And there's several decades of evidence-based practice internationally that proves this model of really elevating the radiation therapist skill set to make higher level clinical decisions and to really make a bigger impact, both departmentally and for our patients.
How has the creation of the APRT helped improve morale of the cancer care team?
I think it's exciting to think about the opportunities that an advanced practice level of radiation therapy practice really offers the profession of radiation therapy and really gives us a chance to work at the top of our license and even think and start to look at a scope expansion. And then what that means for the rest of the care team is really showing and improving, quality outcomes, patient outcomes, and a lot of that includes creating a better model for continuity of care. Our model at Mount Sinai is based on our inpatient palliative population. And so when you look at advanced practice therapy internationally, specific patient cohorts who might really require a lot of steps within their treatment process or might have many providers caring for them at once, really creating a better model for continuity can have a really big impact on the efficiency process for patients.
What does that look like on your team?
So our advanced practice radiation therapist really works to ensure that at Mount Sinai. And we see how that has really improved the patient experience, but also created a more streamlined, efficient process, and also really helping our physicians to reduce some of the burden that's on them. For example, just such as going up to the inpatient floor so frequently. Our APRT can do that now and kind of get the process started with the patient in many ways. And that really takes away from the physician having to do those tasks. So when you look at, advanced practice in general, it is really task shifting away from other providers to do some of the lower level tasks and really free them up to do what they should be doing at their level of practice.
What makes you excited about this new role?
There is a great need, I think, to really consider staffing shortages and post-COVID and burnout and how we can really change the way that we do things. And the radiation therapy team, amongst the multidisciplinary team within radiation oncology departments, is an incredibly highly skilled group of individuals that when you start to look at different ways of inserting a elevated therapy specific skill set into integral points along a patient care pathway that might not be traditionally how we think of things, but really taking a step back and identifying pain points or areas of improvement, and then how an elevated therapy skill set can really add to that. You start to think of and identify new ways of which that skill set can be elevated and utilized.
Our guest and her colleagues will present the Mount Sinai model for an advanced practice radiation therapist at ACCC's 40th National Oncology Conference, held October 4th through the 6th in Austin, Texas. You can find more information to attend in the show notes. Make sure to tune in for the next episodes featuring the 2023 ACCC Innovator Award winners. follow the Cancer Buzz channel right here on your favorite podcast player so you know when new episodes come out. Until next time, for the Cancer Buzz team, I'm Summer Johnson.
This show is a resource of the Association of Community Cancer Centers.